Let Garmin show you how to pair your Varia Vue headlight camera to your compatible Apple smartphone or tablet. The Varia Vue headlight camera does require a micro SD memory card to record video. First, enable Bluetooth on your Apple iPhone. Then, locate and install the Varia app from the App Store. Open the Varia app once the download is complete. Select Add Device. Place the Varia Vue into pairing mode. Select Connect It. Then select Pair. Select Next once the connection is successful. Your Varia Vue can connect to local Wi-Fi networks. You then will be able to set up a Varia Vault subscription. A Vault subscription provides automatic uploads and secure storage for the locked footage on your Varia Vue headlight camera. You can now edit your Varia Vue light settings, such as setting the light to high, medium, low, day or night flash. You can also adjust the Varia Vue's camera settings. Select the circle at the top of the page. Select Camera Configuration. From here, you can adjust video quality, add data overlays, adjust the recording mode, and view the live camera preview. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com.